The Karnataka cabinet has withdrawn consent for any CBI investigation in the state, citing concerns over the agency's alleged misuse. Karnataka Law Minister H.K. Patil emphasized that the decision was not related to the ongoing Muda case involving Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, but was made due to CBI's perceived bias and inaction on several cases referred to them by the state.
Withdraw blanket permission that we had given to CBI to take any of the cases.
This move follows the Karnataka High Court's dismissal of Siddaramaiah's petition challenging the governor's approval for a CBI probe into the Muda site allotment case. The Chief Minister has reiterated that he has no fear for the investigation and is prepared to face the legal battle. Meanwhile, BJP supporters have been protesting, demanding Siddaramaiah's resignation, a call that the CM and Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar have firmly rejected.